Finally at 6, blending the old with the new. That's what a business in the Poconos does with its embroidery creations. Our Mike Stevens saw the operation up close in 1994. We're stopping by Moritz Embroidery Works in this trip back down the Pennsylvania Road.
The Moritz Embroidery Works at Mount Pocono goes back to 1885. They began making emblems full-time around the Depression years and still do that. We'll get to the kinds of emblems in a bit. But Moritz Embroidery is also a fascinating story of an industry that has stayed essentially the same while moving forward. This roll of paper is called a jacquard. It was used to drive the embroidery machines. Player pianos work much the same way. The holes in the paper carry the directions.
It can tell the machine to start and stop, travel left and right, travel with the needles in, with the needles out, how much or how far to travel in any direction.
Steve Moritz on the way it used to be. And about today.
It's basically the same equipment. It's running more efficiently now because of computers, but it hasn't changed a whole lot.
People still put directions into the system. People design what the machines will make. But telling the machines what to do is left to computers. For those who may think computers haven't yet arrived, this equipment is convincing proof they have. This loom is 15 yards across, and one row is 512 patches.
It was doing 512 at one time, but it had started to do the first color or the coloring on 10 different patches, which made that span or wall of emblems over 5,000 patches.
And what kinds of patches does it turn out? Well, lots of them are scout patches. If you're into scouting and from northeastern or central Pennsylvania, you'll recognize some of these. They are a product of two ages, really. One where machines advanced our lot, one where a new wave of machines controls the old. It's an interesting mix. It'll be equally interesting to see where it goes. I'm Mike Stevens, News Watch 16, on the Pennsylvania Road in Mount Pocono.
Moritz